Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can play Squad Busters. So to get started, just have to download and install the game. Go to your device App Store if you're using Apple device or iOS device, and go to Google Play Store if you're using Android. Now go to the search box right there at the top, and we're going to search for the game Squad Busters. And then tap and click on the play button right here once you've just downloaded the game, and you'll be directly to the game. So here, as you can see, you just have to follow the prompts to create a new Supercell account, or maybe you can log in with an existing account. So once you're done with your trial game, then you'll be directly go to this dashboard and you'll be signed in. So you just have to follow all the prompts so you can create the Supercell account. Now, the main goal in Squad Busters is to assemble and control a squad of characters to defeat enemy squads and achieve specific objectives in various game modes. Right? For example, here you can select your characters from the available roster, and each character has unique abilities and strengths. So aim for a balanced squad composition with a mix of tanks, damage dealers, and support characters. Now, as you can see, the battle is now starting once you've just chosen your character. Now, you just have to learn your controls. Use the on-screen joystick to move your characters, as you can see. And if you're going to stop, then it will automatically attack. So the interface may vary slightly depending on your device. So make sure that you familiarize yourself with the controls through the tutorial or any of the practice mode. So the strategies and tips right here is to engage enemy squad using your character's abilities strategically. So time your attacks and abilities for maximum impact. You can use cover and terrain to your advantage in battles. So here, as you can see, it is automatically attacking some of the enemies here. On the top left, you will find your ranking. So it's now currently on 3rd. So you just have to collect resources and power-ups scattered around the map, and this can provide crucial advantages such as health boosts, increased damage, or temporary shields. Now, if playing with friends or in a team, you can communicate and coordinate your actions. So you just have to work together to take down tough enemies and complete objectives effectively. So as you can see, you can play against AI controlled enemies in the various missions and challenges. You can use these modes to practice and improve your skill, or you can compete against other players in real-time battles. So climb the leaderboards and earn rewards based on your performance. So as you can see here, we have some of the resources that we should have to go. So basically you can just fight any enemies here. And actually once you have lose, so for example here, you'll be defeated and you'll be busted. So as you can see, the progress through the game is you need to basically play the game and unlock new characters. So experiment with different characters to find the best combinations for your squad. So once you finish the game, then you'll receive a reward. So basically, it's like a power-ups. So I got a barbarian, so tap on OK. And then here on the bottom, as you can see, we have the squad here. So you should try to collect and get the complete squad so you will win in the game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.